best advice I can give a new business starting to implement this program is just take a deep breath, keep an open mind, and smile. Muscle memory is, you're not going to get it right out of the gates, but you'll look back, and there will be a time you look back, and it probably won't be too much time, and you're like, whoa, this ain't so bad. This isn't that hard. And for me, it's second nature. For me now, if somebody doesn't have that organic waste bin there, it's like it messes up my whole game, because my muscle memory is set, and it's all muscle memory. Do you put it, it's not really any different than before. Before we had a black bin and a blue bin. Now we got a black bin, a blue bin, and a green or brown bin, depending on what city you live in. And it's just one more bin.
So we put it on our opening checklist to set the bins up correctly in the right stations and the right colors, and that really helped people get started in the day the right way. But I would say education was probably the hardest thing, figuring out what really can go in the compost bin. So we wrote it on the sign, put it on the side of the bin so people could literally see it. But it's something that's ongoing with training. So you'll always have to do it with new people.
I think people in general can be a little resistant to change at the beginning. So I first heard about this and it's like, okay, great, another one. Okay, so now we know what we have to do. You settle in, you do it, you implement it. It's not hard, it's actually quite easy. So once we put in the procedures, talked about the staff, they did the same thing. What is this? Why do we have to do this? Okay, this is what we're gonna do, guys. It's not gonna be hard. A few days, a few weeks, simple.
It's been really easy separating green waste from trash. I was actually blown away with how much green waste we had, because when I first thought about it, I was like, we don't produce very much green waste. And then we got the bin and we fill it up, and it's really, really easy. The green waste is food, it's paper, it's all that stuff. So it's so simple.
For it. It's just not that hard. It really isn't that hard. It's another bin. Buy a green bin, put a sign on it, put it into your training, and then you will find over time, it will take a little bit, you'll find over time that it's just part of the natural flow of the day.